TSAE is the Texas Society of Association Executives. We are the association for association professionals in Texas. We offer education, networking, training, resources so that we can help our members serve their members better. As long as I've been with TSAE, we've been using the traditional marketing channels: brochures, mailers, postcards, email marketing, social media, and that was working, but we knew we needed more. With people changing how they interact with the association, how they spend their time, we wanted to reach them where they are. So we started looking into retargeted marketing and found our way to Feathr. We'd been exploring Feathr for a couple of years. They had good brand recognition within the industry, and our peers had actually been using them. Some of our members had talked about them and had great experiences, and when it was time for us to make that jump to starting with retargeted marketing, they were the natural choice. We did some background research, and everyone we spoke with had great experiences, and it's increased attendance, increased engagement, increased membership. And so by the time we had talked to all of those peers and members, we knew that was a clear choice. Our greatest success with Feathr was the amount of impressions we were making on our site retargeting. We were able to clearly see through their analytics how we were reaching people, where we were reaching people, and follow them through the process. Along with the registration dropout, to see that we were going to get those people to complete the registration. And then beyond the analytics, we talk to our members a lot, and you get the intangibles and people telling us, oh my gosh, I've seen so much about new ideas, I've seen so much about your conference, where are these ads coming from? I've never seen TSAE across the web so much. And so it was great to know that people are noticing, and while you see it on the back end, you actually hear it from them, that you're making those impressions, and it's getting them to take that next step and join you at your event or at your membership or wherever it is you're trying to reach them. For me, the best part about using Feathr was the concierge service. We're a small staff, and so trying to fit this into the suite of everything else we're running was difficult. So to be able to go to someone and have them work with the graphics, set up the campaigns, teach us exactly what we had to do was terrific. And now I feel like we have enough information that if we wanted to, we could take it and run a campaign on our own because they set us up for success through that concierge service. When I talk to people about Feathr and they ask me about our experience and what I like about it, I tell them that it's working when I'm not. When you're sending those emails out, you're working on those brochures, you're taking action on that. Versus when you set up these campaigns, you have marketing working 24/7. When you're sleeping and someone's on your site and gets picked up and starts following them, you're marketing across the board. So I really appreciate that something like Feathr and working with them specifically has allowed us the opportunity to expand our marketing efforts, do things we weren't doing before, and really, for a small staff, expand our reach to look much larger and reach more people than we ever have before.